You know that look our mothers used to give us, the one that stopped us in our tracks in public spaces, the look that said, if you don't stop that foolishness right now, you're not going to like what happens next. And every Jamaican mother had it. I dare say probably every Caribbean mother had it, or maybe even all mothers have it. My mother had a silent look for everything, and trust me, I always knew what she meant because after the look came, so did the lecture. It was loud and it was long and usually followed by some kind of punishment. And I would pray that it wasn't the belt or the brush or her hand because my mother never ran for slap you. But worse than the belt was standing there, having to listen, look penitent, and in the end say, Mommy, I'm very sorry for my actions and it will never happen again. But that was brought up, see. And let me tell you something. My mother has never stopped giving me those looks, even though she's going to be 80 next month. And even now, as an adult with an adult child of my own, I still know not to back answer or roll my eyes with my mother because I will get a full lecture about manners. So simply put, brought up is good manners. It's how you carry yourself. It's how you conduct yourself around others. And growing up, when you left your house, you had to put on good manners because it was a hallmark of how you were raised. And the community would judge your parents by your behavior. Yeah, man, the one that come off a good table. And God help you if you acted contrary, because by the time you reached home, the report was already waiting on you. So it's better you did go back out the door, because if your mother heard or your father heard that you disrespected somebody or you acted out of alignment, God help you. So by today's standards, yeah, people might say that kind of discipline was trauma. It would give you PTSD. But for me, for us, it was foundation, because to this day, when I walk into a room, I still say good morning. I still get up and give my seat to a mother with a child. I still help someone if they drop something. And I never think I'm more important than the person beside me in a line, because that's what good manners does. It reminds you of your humanity, and good manners are free. They cost nothing. A please, a thank you, a listening when someone else is speaking, holding the door, ironing your shirt, cleaning your shoes, wearing a belt so your pants don't fall down, so the crack of your bottom isn't showing on your brief. The other day, my son was walking. We went for something to eat, and he just walked through the door, and I was left standing there, and I said, go back through the door. You're going to hold the door for me when I'm walking through it, and you must do that for everybody, especially older people. He had just forgot, but you have to remind them. So when children learn these habits, they're learning respect and they're learning self-discipline. They're learning how to make other people see